wow, we're getting wet. Look at the water. It's just really bad. You just don't want to be driving in this at all. You hardly see the road, and when it gets like that, you can't see the marking. You see why that in New Zealand we have verandas, porches, covered in areas, because you really need to get out of the rain. Oh my god, that person's actually soaked. They've been so soaked. They're absolutely covered. Oh, the poor baby. But that's how much water is coming down at the moment. And I've been here for a good 10-15 minutes and I'm not in any hurry to sprint to the car. Well, it was a horrendous trip home with that torrential rain. Tuning into the radio, hear that there were serious thunderstorms and a tornado on the North Shore, which is the northern side of Auckland, and 3 fatalities. So the situation was rather serious. Where I was filming, it was sort of on the fringe, on the edge of the thunder cells. I note that there was a press conference about 10 to 3 this afternoon, and you might be interested to hear a few points from the press conference. Police Superintendent Bill Searle had said there were 12 uniformed search and rescue personnel who happened to be in the area at the time, gathering intelligence to help police. They have not been formally deployed. The Defence Force is on standby and an emergency centre has been set up at Whanuapai Air Base. The fire service received between 80 and 100 calls and more than 12 appliances were sent to the area. Rebel Radius, signing out. Ciao.